Hello friends, in this session I have discussed on artificial intelligence which will help you to understand the concept behind artificial intelligence. In this session I have also discussed various popular topics of artificial intelligence. So I have started the session on what is artificial intelligence. In today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with different new technology day by day. And one of the growing technology of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machine. The artificial intelligence is now all around us. It is currently working with a variety of subfields ranging from general to specific, such as self-driving cars, playing chess, proving theorems, playing musics, and paintings. So we can say AI is one of the interesting and universal field of computer science, which has a great scope in future. Now, I have discussed on the definition of AI. AI holds the tendency to root a machine to work as a human. Therefore, we can say artificial intelligence is collected of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial defines not natural or real, or we can say man made. And intelligence defines the ability to learn or understand or to deal with new or trying situations, or we can say thinking power. So we can say AI means a man made thinking power. So we can define AI as it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like human, and able to make decisions. For that, artificial intelligence makes it possible for machine to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Most AI example that we can catch about today, from chess playing computer to self-driving cars, depends on deep learning and natural language processing. Using these technologies, computer can be trained to accomplish specific tasks by processing large amount of data and recognize pattern in the data. Now, I have explained what is intelligence. As we know, intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply the knowledge. Knowledge is the information acquired through experience. Experience is the knowledge gained through training. Now, I have discussed on intelligence in composed of. First is reasoning. Reasoning is a way to assume facts from existing data. It is a general process of thinking logically to find valid conclusion. In artificial intelligence, the reasoning is necessary so that the machine can also think logically as a human brain and can perform like a human. Next point is learning. Learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provide systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Learning focus on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn from themselves. Next point is problem solving. According to computer science, a problem solving is a part of artificial intelligence, which include a number of techniques such as algorithms, heuristics to solve a problem. Therefore, a problem solving agent is a goal driven agent and focus on satisfying the goal. Next point is perception. Perception in artificial intelligence is the process of interpreting vision, sounds, smell, and touch. Perception helps to build machine or robot that react like human. Next point is language intelligence. The fundamental problem of computational semantic is the modeling of basic language process, knowledge, creation, and learning of language. Based on the intelligence, now I have discussed on need for intelligent or artificial intelligence. We require AI in everywhere. With artificial intelligence, you do not need to program a machine to do some work. Even with that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithms which can work with own intelligence. Here, I discuss some main reason to need about AI. First is with the help of AI, we can create such software or device which can solve real world problem very easily and with accuracy such as health issue, marketing, traffic issue. Next is with the help of AI, we can create our personal virtual assistant such as Google Assistant, Siri. Next is AI opens a path for the other technologies, new device and new opportunities. Next is with the help of AI, we can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of human can be at risk. Next is to create expert system which show intelligence behavior with the capability to learn, demonstrate, and explain, advise its user. Next is helping machine find solution to complex problems like humans do and applying them as algorithms in a computer friendly manner. Next is replicate human intelligence. Next is solve knowledge intensive tasks. Next is an intelligent connection of perception and action. Next is building a machine which can perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as proving a theorem, playing chess, plan some surgical operation, driving a car in traffic. Now, I have discussed the advantage of artificial intelligence. Main advantage of artificial intelligence like high accuracy with less error. Means AI machine or system are responsible to less error and high accuracy as it takes decision as per pre-experience or information. Next is high speed. Means AI system can be very high speed and fast decision making. Because of that, AI system can beat chess champion in the chess game. Next is high consistency. Means AI machine are highly consistent and can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. Next is useful for risky area. Means AI machine can be helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be risky. Next is digital assistant. AI can be very useful to provide digital assistant to the user, such as AI technology is currently used by various e-commerce websites to show the product as per customer requirement. Next is useful as a public utility. AI can be very useful for public utility, such as a self-driving car, which can make our journey safer and hassle free. Natural language processing to communicate with a human in human language. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can understand the basic concept of artificial intelligence. Thank you.